step. We're going to step
There's
in this
more
direction.
here,
We're going to go
guys.
step.
So
And then
colourful.
this leg here is going to go behind. Nice. And then a step and a kick. And step. Same thing in the other direction. Step, behind, step, kick. Let's put those two together. Here we go. From the top. Step, together, step, together, step, together, step. And kick, other way, step. Together, step, together, step. Together, step.
Where's the flower, honey?
Step behind, step.
Where's the flower?
Kick, step behind, step, kick.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. It is Saturday, the 12th of October, guys, and the time has come. We are finally going to the Tesselaar Tulip Festival, guys. No, so tomorrow is the last day, guys, and yeah, so we decided to go today because we have something on tomorrow. But yeah, we're very excited, guys, and Pinay is real, guys. Because it has been really cold lately, guys, and yeah, so that's why we took them in. But I've got my girls. Hello. Maybe it's so dark. So we're just oh, it's too bright. We're just eating breakfast now, guys, and coffee, and then we're gonna drive there. I think it's gonna take us an hour and a half to go there. So yeah, and also it's a beautiful day, as you can see the sun is up, and you know, it will be a perfect day for yeah, for this Tulip Festival adventure. So yeah, come with us, guys. We'll see you again soon. So hi guys, we're in the car now. I've got Mimi, say hi, and Paris. So I just put the address in Google Maps, guys, and it says it will take us an hour and 13 minutes. So ETA is 12:28. We'll see if that's correct when we get there, guys. But yeah, so that's why you see, guys, we're wearing like very floral, you know, because we're going to gardens and see tulips. So yeah, Paris is also wearing floral dress, and Mimi, are you wearing floral, Ma? No, just colors. Anyways, yeah, so yeah, we'll see you again, guys, soon. Bye.
Di po ba na mau? Tesselaar. Ngayon gitawag siya Tesselaar, te.
Goodness. Dagan dyan tayo kung kailangan time controller.
Let me here, guys.
Your destination is on the left.
Thank you, Google. So siya tinigsaw. Isog ba ni ate? Mura pagkasok pa yun na.
Kinakanin anak.
Tekan kayo sakyanan guys.
Yes, honey, we're here. Hi guys, we're here now, finally. Time check, it is 12:50 in the afternoon. So before, Google said that our ETA was 12, what's that mark? 12:38? So it was, no, it's 22 minutes more, guys. There was a lot of traffic on our way here, that's why. But the main thing is we're here now, we're ready to go. There's so many people here, guys. Yeah, and it's a beautiful day, so yeah, come with us. See guys, tickets, it's $29 per adult. You have to purchase it from there, but I did it online for us, guys, so we can just go straight. Say them up. Hello! Guys, so naka floral si Manay. Siya guys, so siya floral guys, so colorful kayo. Pwede sila sa color sa tulip. Guys, nanami diri guys, but we just bought popcorn because count sa me guys before me mang laro-laro dito guys. There's lots of, so beautiful here guys. Look at the tulips. Well, they'll have a closer look in a minute. But for now, let's just an open. You want some water? Okay. You want to say hi to the camera? Hey. Hi. Hi. But yeah, I'm pretty bummed that Daddy's not here today, guys. He's currently in Sydney, that's why he's not here. But yeah, that's cool. Careful. Careful anak, mataga ka ha. Guys, have a look how beautiful the tulips are. Oh my god. So guys, pick your own tulips. It's $1.50 per stem. $6 for 5. That's beautiful. I think I'm gonna grab some later. Honey! Hey guys, sa klase yung color sa tulips guys. Oh, so cute! Nak, you gonna see the tulips, Nak? No. Dito tapat ko nga. Hang on, let's... Sige Mak, patunga mo Mak, kay ako mong i-video.
Sorry, wait up. Wala, ako yung ganyan.
O niya na pag-picture. Come on! It's beautiful here, guys. Oh my god. Here, boy.
Ako, Bi. Ikaw, Tanya. I was just going to the toilet and come back.
Ready?
Guys, we're finally here. Mac. Yay! What do you think?
Fantastic. It's fantastic. It's fantastic here, guys.
Look. Guys, bagay kaya diri akong sinina.
Pakita bi mong OTD.
Dere pizza na ikuan. Dalam di kramba.
Guys, dami yung mga color ang tulips, guys. Eh.
Puro pilungan namatay ng purple.
Kasi una nagpuan. Ang purple. Hi! Honey! Honey! No? Okay.
My phone.
Oh, cellphone. Do you like it, baby girl? Ooh. Honey, Papa. Paris. Honey. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Thanks, So guys, see, there's another shade of pink tulip. It is so amazing. Yeah guys, we actually met a few Filipinos here. Actually a lot. There's a lot of Filipinos here, guys. Everywhere we go, in every corner, seriously, there's people talking Bisaya or Tagalog. Hi, princess! Honey! Hello? Come on, let's go the other side. See you guys. It's finished now, guys. I think you have to wait until next year again before they come back. See, it's starting to fall. Because it's the other side of the garden, guys. So those ones there, they're still very alive. Oh, here, different colors. Maka na sa middle, Mako. So cool. The middle ones, guys, see? They are different colors. It looks so cute.
If you can click one for everybody, please.
Hi, honey. Hold, mama. Hello.
Wala, murag dahilayan. Diri, uy.
Anak. You enjoying that?
Di ba, murag dahilayan ng kahoy?
So here's more flowers. Oh,
Guys, klaro gid nga bukid na kay guys. Okay, very red na kay ilang kuan lang yuta.
Inabo na siya, guys.
Sa kum is real. Come here. Come here, honey.
Here, baby girl. Wala may bulak diya. Baby,
Ayun na.
Come here.
Come here. Nothing there now, guys. Guys, say hi, honey. No. Oh no. Okay, we're just ordering potato twisters, guys. Because we're very hungry. Yeah. Do you want some potato twist? Hi, Tita. Hello.
Guys,
Yeah.
heaven kay diri guys. No, I think very heaven. Boy! Censored.
So yeah, guys, it's very perfect day for it, guys, too. Like it's seriously, you know, it's not hot, it's not cold. It's just, you know, we're able to wear something like this here. Very nice. Yeah, yeah. We didn't have to wear jackets or anything, which is really good. Probably get some drinks there too. Next. But the line is
We're going to step
There's
in this
more here,
direction.
guys.
We're going to go step.
so
And then
colorful.
this leg here is going to go behind. Nice. And then a step and a kick. And so same thing in the other direction. Step, behind, step, kick. Let's put those two together. Here we go. From the top. Step,
Paris.
together, step, together, step, together, step, and kick. Other way, step, together, step, together, step, together, step.
Where's
and
the
kick
flower,
behind,
honey?
Step behind, step.
Where's the flower?
Kick, step behind, step, kick.
Guys, finally guys, niabot na gid ang order. Potato twisters. Come on, honey. Mac, si Paris sa Mac. Tarang bata guys, oh, lapil-lapil.
Magpasikat. Dito sa showtime, lahat tayo ay sikat. Baby girl. Hey. Baby girl.
Guys, patunga gid siya guys, oh. Kabalo gid siya nga stage. Ambot na lang gid ang bata ah.
Okay na lang po niya ang skirt yun kasi nga ito kayo lang eh.
Hi. Ang bata guys, ito guys, oh, pakigisto din sa bang tao.
Dali ka lang ako. Mali interest.
Labay, laawat-awat siya dito guys. Ang kwenta, ang tigulang. Guys, gusto niya lagi biyaan siya guys.
Ay, ayun ya.
Mas gusto gid siya mabilong guys, no?
Nasa na siya magdula ka nun.
Yeah, she really wants to be around with people. Kaluoy.
Wala. Gamba ng dress. Nag-long gown sad.
Guys, she's trying to talk to the kids, but they're not talking to her. How rude. See guys, I think she really got it from her dad. Loves talking to people. Guys, purple guys ah. Nani basa na yun mag-cook. Umak na yabuhan. Alam mo na chuchig kurik ami be. Bigla na kayo.
Ako ba inganing sa Pinas?
Alin anak? Come on, let's go find your friends. Come on, where are your friends? Ito yung mag-high five ka ganina ba? Yes. What's this? Nagsubay si Inday sa dalan. Ay, excuse me, oy! Guys, nagpakahulat guys, oh. We're getting on that train. Come on. Ano na itong ticket? Guys, it's $5 per person. Naguna-una ng bata, guys. Maglinya, manak. Nakasabot ka, linya? Nakasabot ka, linya? Maglinya pa ta, uy.
Give it to the driver. Driver, ha?
You guys sit in there, I'll go in the back.
Guys, tara mo sa train, guys.
Welcome to the Tesselaar Tulip Festival. This unique family festival began by accident in 1954. The Tesselaar family were growing tulips and passers-by began jumping the fence to get a better look. Instead of building bigger fences, the Tesselaars opened their farm gates and the festival began. The Tesselaar Tulip Farm is set on 25 acres and includes our long-established mail-order nursery that sends bulbs and plants all over Australia. The Tulip Festival keeps us busy year-round. In January, we are drying, cleaning, counting and grading the bulbs to get them ready to plant. Only the best will do. In February, we tally our bulbs to plan our planting pattern for the festival. We need to ensure we have the correct numbers of early, mid and late flowering tulips in a good mix of colours. Every year, we buy in more bulbs to ensure the paddocks look their best and include some new varieties. In March, we begin preparing the soil for planting. We fumigate it to control diseases and weeds and fertilise when required. Late April to May is planting time. We wait until the soil is below 14 degrees before planting almost a million spring bulbs. Most of our bulbs are now planted with machinery, at least 10% are still planted by hand. Here in the paddocks,
Wave not to the flowers.
They look a bit like the orange bags you see at the fruit shop. It doesn't matter to the bulbs which direction they are planted, they will find their way towards the sun. Actual planting takes 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the weather. In April and May, we are planting the grass between the paddock rows. We plant the grass to allow for a 2-year crop rotation in our paddocks. We have added a sculpture to brighten up the lawns. June, the bulbs are growing and establishing their roots. In July and August, we introduce predatory mites to the paddocks, which are used to help control pests, such as bulb bites. This means we are able to use less chemicals in our farming, which is great, and we have had fantastic results. In September and October, things get exciting as we open our gates. The tulips bloom for around 4 weeks, and we have over 150 varieties. In October, the day after the festival concludes, we chop the heads of all the flowers. We do this so that the bulbs can regenerate for next year's plants. Plants use a live vigor for flower and seed production, so removing this part of the plant.
Today's video, I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed it because it's hella nice, beautiful. Yeah, I'm in awe, guys. Like, I don't know, I'm so speechless how beautiful these flowers are. Have a look. Madam ka siya, guys. Guys. Tayo sa asyenda. Harvest the more tulips. But yeah, guys, it's so beautiful in here. I can't wait until next year, guys, because obviously they're falling now, and you know it's not until next year. But thank you very much for being with us today, and yeah, I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye.